Hello students, welcome back to our class 11 economics class. So in previous class I discussed the sources of the secondary data. Today from the same chapter collection of data I will discuss some MCQ. You already knew that one, that in your question types for economics total marks is 80 from 40 statistics and another 40 from the microeconomics. So in out of 80 marks, 20 marks will come by the MCQ. So that's why today I will discuss some MCQ from the collection of data chapter. So see here, okay, so under the 20 marks, 10 marks from the statistics. So from the 10 marks, it will come as the MCQ. Okay, it will come as fill in the blanks or some objective type questions or true or false. Okay, so let's see. Here some questions are. So first one is the data collected for first time from the sources of the origin is called. There are some options are given: primary data, secondary data, internal data, none of the above. So we know the data which are collected from its origin or investigator itself. So this data is called primary data. So understood? Next one, what kind of data are contain the census of population and national income estimates for the government? So in previous class I discussed the sources of the secondary data, and there I discussed the census of population and about the NSSO. So census of population obviously is sources of the secondary data. So let's see which are options are given. The options are given: primary data, secondary data, internal data, and none of the above. So obviously the answer is secondary data. So next question. Which of the following is a method of secondary data collection? Okay, so here options are given: direct personal investigation, no. This data, this type of the methods we learn for the collection of the primary sources of data. So obviously this one is not. Next one, direct oral investigation. After then, collection of information through questionnaire, and option D, none of the above. So in the type of the methods for collection of the primary data, we learn the direct personal investigation, direct oral investigation, collection through questionnaire. So these are all the methods under the collection of the primary data. So here the answer will be none of the above. Okay, so this type of question will come as MCQ. Then the next one, which of the following is a merit of good questionnaire? So I already discussed what are the qualities of good questionnaires. So here Options are given: difficulty, less number of questions, not in proper order, invalid questions. So obviously the option will be the second one, less number of the question. In the qualities of the good questionnaire, we have to memorize that when we ask some question, we ask the short span of the question or limited question number of the question. So here option less number of questions. Next, see. Okay, which of the following method is used when an investigator collects the required information with the respondent? Which of the following methods is used when investigator collects the required information with respondent? So which of the following method is used when investigator collect the required information with respondent? So here options given: direct personal investigation, indirect oral investigation, mailing questionnaire, and all of these. So we have seen when investigator himself or herself collect the data, obviously they adopt the process, the direct personal investigation. So the answer will be direct personal investigation. Next question: in order to know likings and dislikings of the listener of the programmer's broadcast by the Himachal Akashvani, the latter is keen to collect data. Which method of collecting data will be suitable for it? So, listen the question again. In order to know the liking and dislikings of the listener of the program broadcast by Himachal Akashvani, the latter is keen to collect data. Which method of collecting data will be suitable for it? So options are direct personal investigation, indirect oral investigation, mailing questionnaire, or by survey enumerators method. So this one, obviously we collect the data by the enumerators method. The answer is enumerator methods, because here enumerator collect the data. Next one is schedules are filled by the investigator, enumerator, respondent, or none of these. So when in the enumerator method, what we will do in enumerator method, we made the schedule, okay, and which are filled by the enumerator. So obviously answer will be the enumerator. So number 7. Schedules are filled by, answer, the enumerator. And the next question, which of the sources or which of the following source of the secondary data? So see which are options given. Number A, government publications, private publications, report published by the State Bank of India, and all of the above. So we already knew that one. So sources of secondary data, obviously government publications also there, and so report published by State Bank of India, no, these are published by the Ministry of Central Government or State Government. So obviously the option number A, government publications. Okay students, so for today up to this, next day I will discuss another more questions and also some topics from this chapter which left. So for today, thank you.